Hi guys, welcome back to term 2. I hope we're all well and you're all staying safe in your bubbles. Hopefully not long to go now. However, right, back at school now. So the first thing I just need to let you guys know is obviously for today's double spell, we are going to be just continuing on with our work on our draft business plan. So the key thing that I just need to point out to you guys is obviously we can see up here, we've got our draft business plan has now been put onto Moodle as to the place that we need to upload it. So if we obviously go down here, click on topic 1, and you should see bottom of topic 1. There we go. Miss Mac has very kindly put up the place that we put it in here. Okay. I know a couple of groups have already shared with me their business plan draft. That's great, wonderful to see. However, what I really need is the document uploaded up onto Moodle. Okay. If you share it with me, guys, you run the risk of me coming the date that the deadline is. You run the risk of me clicking on it and I don't get access, and if that means it's not submitted. So what we try and do is try and save it to maybe a PDF form and upload it here into our draft area here. So yeah, 24th of April, that needs to be done. Can I also ask for with your groups and your shared documents that you've all been sharing with each other, can you please put me in that shared document as well? Not that I'm spying or anything, but it's just so I get a bit of an idea as to how we're progressing, even before we get to the draft deadline. All right. So please share with me your documents so I can just basically see the work in progress. Okay, guys. Now, just a bit of a reminder. We know what's required on our business plan, because that should be, you should see all that in the instructions, and the things that are required of the business plan are detailed here. Added to that, in this folder here, we've got exemplars of previous business plans. Now, in some of the things, we've got templates, we've got some of the notes about it. And as well, some of these screencasts that have been done, like the one I'm doing now. These are actually on Teams, but they're also put down here. Please also be aware, sorry, it says teacher videos. I'm guessing these videos should go in here as well. So I think I put up a couple that Mr. Moore did. It should be helpful for you. Okay, guys. So remember, all our resources are on Moodle. They're on Teams primarily. So please be checking these places. And then added to that, if there's anything specific that you want to ask me, please feel free to drop me either a chat on Teams, or you can email me directly. I'm going to be on these over the double spell today. What I will probably do is notify some groups for some little meetings just to see how we're all getting on. And so if I can have that shared document in front of me when I'm having a chat with you guys, that would be really helpful. So can I just get one person definitely take responsibility of sharing that document with me? And I will start doing those little mini meetings from this Friday. Okay, so for this double spell that we've got today, I won't call any meetings today, so you just get on and do that and sort of make contact with each other. But from Friday, please look in Teams. I will notify again who I want to be talking to. I'll probably do the whole team, and at what time. So please make sure you're online so we can all connect and say hello. Yeah, so that's great. As I said, I will be online and available for any questions. So please feel free to get in touch. Okay, good luck.